Welcome to Vintage American Cars. Today we're showcasing 10 incredible classic cars for sale under $5,000. From the 1969 Dodge Cornet to the 1955 Buick Special, these affordable gems are perfect for restoration enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details and find your next vintage ride. Number 1. 1969 Dodge Cornet. Priced at $4,500, this 1969 Dodge Cornet has 140,929 miles on it and is located in Bedford, Virginia. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a blue interior. The car is equipped with a 318 engine and runs and drives well. It includes the original 14-inch wheels and hubcaps, but currently has 15-inch wheels installed. The car needs the seats recovered and the gas gauge fixed. Recent maintenance includes a tune-up with new wires, plugs, cap, button, points, condenser, and a new battery. Number 2. 1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88. Listed for $3,950, this 1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88 has 17,500 miles and is located in a garage. The car has a gold exterior and interior featuring a Rocket 350 5.7L V8 engine. It runs and drives with a new brake system, new water pump, new thermostat housing, new fuel pump, and new battery. The car might need a head gasket. The frame is rust-free and the car has been garage kept. The original AC and electronics work, and the chrome is in great shape. Number 3. 1955 Packard 400. Priced at $4,000, this 1955 Packard 400 is located in Garden Grove, California, and has 100,000 miles. The car has a pink exterior and features a 352 V8 engine. It's ready to go and styled as a lowrider hot rod classic with side skirts and exhaust out the bumper. Number 4. 1962 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4-door. Listed for $4,000, this 1962 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan has 82,000 miles and is located in Oceana, West Virginia. The car has a white exterior and runs and drives well. It's being sold as is. Number 5. 1965 Plymouth Fury. Priced at $4,000, this 1965 Plymouth Fury has an automatic transmission and a white exterior. It features a 440 engine and a 727 transmission. The car needs new tires and the rear brake line capped off at the splitter, but still stops with front brakes. It runs and drives well, but will need a trunk pan. The seller is interested in trading for a Harley, fishing boat, or jet skis with a trailer and title. Number 6. 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Custom. Listed for $3,250, this 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Custom has 32,000 miles and a blue exterior. The car was hit on the passenger side but comes with another door and quarter panel. It's a solid and clean car that has been garage kept since last fall. It fired right up without a dead battery. Number 7. 1956 Willys Wagon. Priced at $1,400, this 1956 Willys Wagon has 100,000 miles and is located near Fort Knox, Kentucky. The car has a tan exterior and interior, featuring an original flathead 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed 4x4 manual transmission. It starts and runs well, but will need brake work. The car has a new composite fuel tank, new fuel sender, new headlight bezels, and a few extra pieces of glass. The price is firm, but the seller is willing to negotiate if the wheels and tires are excluded. Number 8. 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 Limited Sedan 4-door. Listed for $4,000, this 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 Limited Sedan has a manual transmission and is located in off-white with a burgundy interior. The car runs but needs carburetor work as it won't stay running. The seller is interested in trading for a nice family vehicle or something of equal value. Number 9. 1940 Chrysler DeSoto. Priced at $4,900, this 1940 Chrysler DeSoto has 100,000 miles and is located in Woodstock, Illinois. The car features a blue exterior and interior with a 1968 250 inline-6 engine and a rebuilt Powerglide transmission. It also has a new aluminum radiator. Number 10. 1955 Buick Special. Listed for $4,000. This 1955 Buick Special has 55,000 miles and is located in green. The car features an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a green interior. It has had more than 3 owners and runs and drives well but needs some TLC. Thanks for tuning in to Vintage American Cars. We hope you enjoyed our tour of classic cars for sale under $5,000. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage car content. Let us know which car was your favorite. Happy restoring, and see you next time.